Good morning, folks. How are you doing today? So it is, what is it, October 11th, 2020. And one of the things that I'm starting to think about is 2025. Yes, 2025. Too many of you, too many of those YouTube entertainers are out there talking about 2021, when in reality, we should be thinking much, much farther ahead. So what I've done is I've created 5 predictions for 2025. And by doing that, we can really put things in our business, in our life together to see if we can take advantage of what we see happening in roughly 5 years. So let me bring them up. We will talk about all of them. And I share with you my predictions so you can agree, disagree, challenge, ask questions. I look at this stuff every day. Let me think about this. I suspect I expect 2 or 3 of these predictions I would not have made in January. Life changes. You roll with it. You're changing. That's why I look at the markets every day, because I'm looking for the little data points that changes inflection points. You make your most money if you can identify inflection points up or inflection points down. That's what I've become really good at. So let me share with you my predictions. All right, so here we go. So here are my 5 predictions for 2025. These are obviously real estate oriented, real estate investing. First and foremost, this is the big one. This is huge. I probably wouldn't have said this in January. I believe millennials will become the most dominant force we have ever seen in single family homes. This could be on the tune of people coming back from World War II. If you don't know what happened after World War II, basically the GI Bill and all these people started buying homes and refrigerators and washer and dryers, and it was a boom time for our economy. I think we could see that coming. The infrastructure bill that's likely to come out of the executive branch next year, regardless of who wins, the amount of stimulus that will be coming, I believe that millennials who have long since delayed home purchases are going to step up in a huge way. They are going to dominate first-time buyer programs. They're going to focus in suburbs, in tertiary markets. I think they're going to ignore urban areas, at least until 2025. Man, if you don't see this coming and you're not preparing, you are going to leave some money on the table. I believe urban cities, think New York, San Francisco, others in that list, I think they're going to be at the bottom of their depth of value and destruction. I see a slow ride down. Prices are going to come down. Rents are going to come down. I think 2024, 2025 is going to be near the bottom. And huge tax shortfalls, safety issues, just messy and disgusting. But it'll start to turn around. It won't be forever. I do think the bottom will be 2025, which is important. Housing assistance, or the Section 8 program, I think grows and probably grows substantially. I couldn't find what the number is today, but I suspect the program could be 50% bigger by 2025. This health crisis we are in today is showing the cracks in our system. And I strongly suspect that there will be money thrown at this problem. Housing, Section 8, all of that will get some focus, because we can't have the number of people living on the streets that we have in some urban areas. And we need to take care of the folks that we can. I believe that the residential 30-year mortgage will still be under 4%. I'm not sure it will be under 3. Under 3 kind of feels unnatural, frankly. And part of me thinks that we're going to have some inflation, and I think it will be hidden or be lied to us. But I don't think the 30-year goes above 4%. But think about it. Even a 1% rise is still a 33% rise, so still significant. But I do think it stays below 4%. I think rent on affordable single-family homes goes up at least 20%. There is nothing renting faster than a quality single-family home today. It's amazing. And I've been doing this 20 years with quality product. I have never seen stuff move this fast. and getting rent increases. It's amazing. So I think that continues as people leave apartments. People want backyards, front yards, garages. Space is good. In the end, these are my 5 predictions. I think they really warrant single family home investment. If that's what you think, one rental at a time is your belief, you're ready to do work, do yourself a favor, check out my online course, How to Get Started One Rental at a Time. And it is only $199. Get you added to a Facebook group, and you get access to me every Saturday at 9 a.m. Pacific. We do a Facebook Live where I give you mentoring and answer questions. It's the best thing I've done, but only buy it if you're willing to do work. The course, step 1, puts you to work. Step 2, puts you to work. Then we get into the softer things of building teams and all of that stuff. Only do the course if you want to work. If you're not ready, don't buy it. So let me know what you think of those 5 things. Those are my 5 predictions for 2025. Leave comments below. I'd love to hear what yours are. And if you're interested in the course, but not yet sure, there is a playlist on this channel where I've interviewed students and they've talked about how it's changed their business. Take care.